What's up, guys? Your boy What's up, guys? It's your boy WHOTUCKIS here. Burnt nose ass.
Why are you the way that you are?
What's up, motherfuckers? It's WHOTUCKIS here. This is part 2 of the coilover install. Had help yesterday with doing it. Brian came over. He's part of Hoagie Haulers. His Instagram would be be down below. I can't talk for shit today. Anyway, this is part 2 of the coilover install. I had help yesterday from Brian. And I was recording, but I realized that I didn't record anything of what I was doing. I didn't record myself picking up a tool. I didn't record myself doing any work. It was just Brian doing everything. So thanks to Brian, we got the rears done. And we're going to cut to him doing it. What's up, boy? What's up, man?
Fuck you, I'm vegan. Fuck you, I'm vegan.
That shit. Ooh. Howdy. You know what? 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 Alright guys, so that's the E34 and coilovers. This is the final installment of the coilover video. This is part 2. That's it. 600 bucks. I'm slammed now. Not quite. You guys let me know. Does it look good? Comment down below. But like, comment, subscribe. It helps me out. It makes me want to make more videos for you guys. And stay tuned for more videos. Peace. Hit that thumbs up.